Fossils. The remains of dead animals or plants that lived in the remote past are known as fossils. Ammonite, invertebrate, Nicaea, fish, and Rajasaurus, dinosaur, are some examples of fossils. If we dig the earth and start finding fossils, we find closer to surface are recent than fossils we find in deeper layers. Let us start 100 million years ago. Some invertebrates on the seabed die and are buried in the sand. More sand accumulates and sandstone forms under pressure. Millions of years later, dinosaurs living in the area die and their bodies too are buried in mud. This mud is also compressed into rock above the rock containing the earlier invertebrate fossils. Again, millions of years later, the bodies of horse-like creatures dying in the area are fossilized in rocks above these earlier rocks. Much later, by erosion or water flow, wears away some of the rock and exposes the horse-like fossils.